Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. The topic of the day today is the new Alto Defense serum. It's called the Alto Advanced, and I will tell you what's new in this formula compared to the prior formula and which one is better. If you're interested, stay tuned. Also, please remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Okay, so what is in this little gem of a gold bottle compared to the old gem with the gold top? These formulations are really very similar. The new formulation has 4 new ingredients, and I compared the order of the list of ingredients, and so the 19 antioxidants that were in the old formulation are also in the new formulation, and they are in the same order. So really nothing has changed in terms of all of the beneficial antioxidants in the formula. The new ingredients in the Alto Advanced include niacinamide. The niacinamide in the new formulation went in place of the hydrolyzed sodium hyaluronate in the old formulation. So that to me is a very beneficial change. And the concept of the new formula is to diminish internal oxidative stress. So basically the formulation includes antioxidants that help minimize and eliminate free radicals internally. So most of the free radicals we talk about are extrinsic. They sit on our skin, things like pollution, and these additional ingredients work on the cellular mitochondrial level. In order to minimize intrinsic oxidative stress and damage, they've added 2 DNA repairing enzymes. One is derived from plankton extract and the other one from micrococcus lysate. So those are 2 DNA repairing enzymes. And the other additional technology, which they call TAP, stands for pyrroloquinoline Quinone Allyl Ester, or Allyl PQQ for short. And this is a very potent antioxidant that helps work on the mitochondrial level to diminish free radicals. So those are the major power players in this formulation compared to the previous. And then in addition, there's the niacinamide I mentioned, and Arginine, which is a stabilized form of arginine. And what arginine does is it helps the skin produce nitric oxide, and nitric oxide dilates the blood vessels and help increase blood flow to the skin, and that always increases the delivery of nutrients and also helps wash away the debris and waste from the cells out of the body. The Alto Advanced can be used once a day or twice a day, and it can be used instead of the regular Alto. Now, the question most people have been asking me is who should use Alto and who should use Alto Advanced. The company says the Alto is great for people who don't really have a lot of intrinsic damage. So that would be a younger population, people in their, I would say, early 20s. And then most of us that are interested in anti-aging properties would choose the Alto Advanced because of the additional intrinsic repair systems and mechanisms. However, even if you're 20, you know, the environment is already coming at you and we're always aging. So the formulation is very similar. The texture is very similar. The 19 standard antioxidants are also unchanged. But I think the price point varies. The regular Alto is slightly less expensive, so that could play a role. But otherwise, the Alto Advanced just has so much more in it. It's the one I will definitely be switching to. I got this size as a gift from the company, but this video is not sponsored. I just wanted to give you guys a little breakdown to help you understand the difference between this and the original Alto. So I hope that was helpful. I'd love to know if you've tried the new Alto or if you're going to prefer it over the original. Let me know in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.